How to log in Santander Bank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Santander Bank online banking account and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, santander.co.uk, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. Here you're going to find different options as personal, business, or corporate. Select the option for which you want to log in. Then provide your details, type in your credentials. First up, type in your ID, then type in your security number. If you want to save your login info, check it for the option of Remember Personal ID. If you're using public or shared device, check in for this option. After you fill this, click on Log On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you have forgotten your details, you can click on this option to recover it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Santander Bank online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.